Hey, what up, YouTube? Sorry about this mess, first of all. And that's not dog pee. It's just, so yeah. Sorry about the mess, YouTube. But I just want to go here and show y'all real quick what I have going on with the car. Just give y'all an update. So as of right now, as you can see, I am building another harness for the EK. This is with FuelTech, of course. This is all unterminated. I got some, some of the plugs already. I don't know if I'm gonna just unpin them or just splice the wires into it. I'll probably just splice the wires into it and make it look clean. Yeah, just because I'm running out of time, man. I gotta get this thing done. That's just a bunch of stuff I got over there to, get the harness complete. So I really don't know how to go into depth about what all went down right here. I mean, I really haven't done anything. I just made it neat. So, this is called I can't remember the word. It's a type of twisting for making harnesses and whatnot. So it's just a good way to stay organized, because I can take all these wires. These are all like my 12 volt, my grounds, power grounds. Those go to injectors. Injectors, you got your sensors, and other inputs that you can put onto FuelTech, like two-step and whatnot. Those are all those wires. And then here, good rule of thumb, so also what's in here, this thick wire right here, this will be for my crank position sensor. And with that, you don't want ignition interfering with that connection. If anything interferes with the crank sensor connection, like any, large amounts of power is magnetically connected through those wires. It's like, say these are my ignition coil wires. If these touch with, the crank position sensor, that could be the death of your the death of your motor. So you want to keep those separated as I have them. But another thing that I also am doing right now, when I put the heat shrink on, I'm gonna stop it right here. All the rest of this is getting wrapped up in another piece of heat shrink, separated from those. So of course this will run across the top of the valve cover, and go to my ignition coils. All that will run on the other side of the motor to my ejectors, sensors and whatnot, and stuff like that. Yeah, that's just part one. I'm about to eat dinner. Just rolled a fat joint, had a good joint, so I'm high as fuck. And yeah, see y'all in the next video. Peace out, brothers and sisters.